Hey, this is Epic Love, back with another Amazon product that you may or may not need. If you enjoy keeping your car clean just as much as I do, I think you're going to like this one. This vacuum comes with 3 attachments, an extra filter, brush, and a storage case. This brush attachment is my favorite. Because the bristles are very soft, it didn't scrape up my leather seats. You power the vacuum by plugging it into the cigarette lighter socket. And because the cord is just under 17 feet, I was able to vacuum my entire truck without any issues, including the trunk. And when I tell you the trunk is so satisfying, look at this. The link to this and much more will be in my profile.